श्रीमती झरना दास वैद्य जी।
Thank you, sir. The National Institute of Pharmaceutical Education and Research Amendment Bill 2021. The 1998 Act established the National Institute of Pharmaceutical Education and Research, Punjab, and declared it is an institution of national importance. The bill provides for a council to coordinate the activities among the institutes under the bill to ensure development of pharmaceutical education and research and maintenance of standards. The National Institute of Pharmaceutical Education and Research Act 1998 was enacted to declare the National Institute of Pharmaceutical Education and Research at Mohali, Punjab to the Institute of National Importance and to provide for its incorporation and matters connected therewith. Now I am going to point out some salient features of the bill. The bill declares 6 additional National Institute of Pharmaceutical Education and Research as institutions of national importance. These institutes are located at Ahmedabad, Hajipur, Hyderabad, Kolkata, Guwahati, and Raebareli. The council provided through the bill shall consist of the minister in charge of the ministry or department of the central government having administrative control of pharmaceutical ex officio as the chairperson, minister of the state of the ministry or department of the central government having administrative control of the pharmaceutical ex officio as the vice chairperson. 3 members of parliament from 2 from Lok Sabha and 1 from Rajya Sabha and other certain members. Who is the certain members? It is not mentioned in this bill. It should be mentioned. Now I will point out benefits of the bill. The bill will be help in coordinating the activities of the such institutes to ensure coordinated development of the pharmaceutical education and research and maintenance of the standards, etc. in the country. Sir, it will also widen the scope of number of courses run by such institutes, including graduate and PG degrees, doctoral and postdoctoral distinctions, and research in pharmaceutical education, integrated courses, certificate courses, and executive courses. Sir, there are several institutes having national important status. Most of them are reluctant to comply the principle of social justice and reservation of admission and employment. The same policy should not be reacted in this institution. Sir, I request all aspects should be made of the setup pharmaceutical colleges in different district levels to make this course available to be students at the rural level. It is also suggestion and request by you to the minister, let us institute to be set up in Tripura to make students on pharmaceutical science available to the students of the community. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.